Alright, John Oaks here with HANKSTERS Hot Rods here in our Homer City, Pennsylvania location, and today we have another addition to our inventory. This is a 1987 Ford Bronco. Now our Bronco that we have here, this is the XLT. As you can see, 87, the paint is in really good shape for an 87 on this thing. It's got the white exterior, obviously you see that. All of your bright work, your bumpers, your trim, all around your wheel wells here, even up around your windshield and so forth. All of that is in really good condition on this vehicle. You see it does have the Bronco Xlt badging here on the fenders, and you see the lower body molding across the bottom there. It's the black molding, got the little bit of red in there to kind of help offset it, and some of the bright work in there too to give it a nice flare. As far as wheels and tires on this vehicle, we've got 15-inch wheels. These are just steel wheels here, and they do have a beauty ring on them. And as far as tires, these tires are brand new. We just put these on after we got this vehicle in. These are a set of BFGoodrich All-Terrain TA KO2 tires, and again, brand new, so tread is perfect on these things. Now this vehicle's got the dual mirrors on it, passenger and driver side. Chrome mirrors, all of your mounting brackets and hardware is all in great shape. The actual glass in these is in great shape too. Speaking of glass, okay, we have our window down right now, but these are power windows in this vehicle. Not only do you have power windows, you've also got the power door locks, and with the power windows, it also includes the rear tailgate window too, which we'll get to here in just a minute. Let's go ahead and open our door up. We'll take a quick peek inside. As you can see, it's got the burgundy cloth interior in it. It's got the bucket seats up front with the fold down armrest, center console, factory dash, factory column, everything like that. Again, it's optioned up, all the factory gauges, cruise control. It's got the automatic locking hubs on the front for the four-wheel drive also. Again, automatic, it's got that the FMX Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission. So again, you can see all of this is in great shape. The door jambs, weather stripping the whole way around, all of it, carpeting too, all in great shape. We'll close this up, and then you can see the lariat badging also. So again, it's got that package on it, so you can tell it's you know, a dressed up version basically. Now your rear cap back here, the glass in it, it's tinted and all in good shape. Even your moldings around that window, you can see very nice. They're not cracked or split due to weather and so forth like that. Good condition. Again, you got your fuel door right there in the side. As we come around the back side, as I said, we've got our window back here. This is tinted also. You can see it's got the rear defroster right here in the window too. Tailgate is in great shape. Got your stainless trim here. A little bit of the red reflector down here also. The bumpers on the back in excellent shape too. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the key in here. We're going to put this window down so that we can get inside that gate and then show you the interior of the vehicle from back there. Okay, so obviously you can see that our window does roll down and work with the power buttons inside. So we're going to reach in here, we're going to open our tailgate up now and show you the inside back here. As you can see, the tailgate itself is tethered here with the cables. It's not going to drop any further than that. The inside's all carpeted back here, that burgundy that is throughout the whole interior. You got a spare tire right there on the right side. And if you look up to your rear seat back there, that is a removable rear seat. It'll unlatch, roll forward. You could probably take that out probably pretty easily on this particular vehicle. But again, carpeting is in great shape. All of your weather stripping around your tailgate, that's in good shape. All of your felts and so forth for your rear window, those are in great shape too. So everything back here looks to be good. We're going to close this. Okay, and then we're going to walk around the rest of the vehicle here. So again, tail lights, the lenses and everything are all in great shape. There's no cracks, no chips on any of that. Again, you can see that lower body molding here on our vehicle. All of our gaps are all uniform the whole way around. Elevations are great. All the panels line up really good on this vehicle. We'll open up from this side now, take a quick peek on the interior here. Again, for cloth seats, there's no rips, no tears. Everything looks really good in this vehicle, so you get to see a good shot of that from this side. Now, again, weather stripping around the doors, all your door jamb areas, everything looks to be really nice on this vehicle. Close our door up again, got that chrome mirror on this side. Again, brackets are all good. One thing I did not mention on the other side, you have your little steps here. Those are bolted on, nice heavy duty brackets underneath that we'll show you when we get to that point. But again, those are going to be nice and sturdy. You can stand on them, help yourself get into the vehicle. Again, the Bronco Xlt badging here on the side. Wheels, tires, all in great condition. As we come around the front now, we're going to look at our chrome bumper here. Again, it is in excellent condition. You got the black moldings or the bumper guards basically on your bumperettes and so forth. All of that is in good shape and shines up really nice. The 4x4 emblems, your regular seal beam unit headlights here, so all glass. Again, excellent shape. There's no cracks, no chips, nothing like that in your headlights. Your grille, again, you can see the bright work on that, shined up really nice. All the plastic and the painted areas are all in excellent condition on this. Not broken at all. It's all intact, good and solid. Of course, you got the big Ford blue oval right in the center. As far as your hood goes, all of your gaps the whole way around your hood on both sides and across the back, all very uniform, and the fitment is excellent when it comes to elevations as far as your fenders compared to your hood. Again, the paint for an 87 looks great on this vehicle. I'm going to go ahead and open our door up. We're going to pop our hood so that we can look underneath there. Talk a little bit about the engine. So on the 87, your hood release is on the inside, just down on your lower kick panel there. You just pull it back, the cable works, springs hook on, or work on the hood also. Underside of the hood looks to be in great shape. Everything's all intact here. Your under bracing here all welded up and sealed up like it should be. As far as the engine goes now, cleaned up really, really nice here. All the hoses are in great shape. This is a 5.0 liter, 302 cubic inch Ford motor. It's got fuel injection on it. You've got factory air conditioning on this too. All of your lines are all hooked up, everything functional. And again, like I said, cleans up really nice. Factory radiator here with the fan shroud and fan. Again, if you needed to, it's got a hood prop rod, but the hood itself stays up. The springs are good and strong on it too. Everything all intact. Power brakes, power steering. You can see all of your fluids basically. Power steer or your master cylinder, the reservoir's full on that. Again, oils and so forth, all fluids have been checked on it too. So it's all in very good drivable condition. It just needs a driver for it. So that motor, it is basically hooked up to your FMX Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission, which is then your rear differential is an 8.8 inch Ford rear end. The gear in there is a 355 gear ratio too. And once we get to the underside, you'll see how nice and clean it is underneath too. Again, no leaks, nice looking vehicle, good solid metal the whole way around on this car. Alright, so we are standing underneath our 1987 Ford Bronco here. We're going to go through the underside just as we do any other vehicle here, show you what we have, talk about what we have here, and then we'll get it down, start the engine up. That way you get to hear what that sounds like before purchasing the vehicle. So again, 87 Ford Bronco. This is a four-wheel drive Bronco. So you're going to notice you've got the front differential in the rear, transfer case, all that stuff here. Everything is all in great condition on this vehicle. You'll notice that the whole way around on this thing, not going to see any leaks on anything. Looks nice and dry underneath here. Now, front suspension wise, this is just all stock suspension and steering components for the Bronco. It does have a front sway bar on it. All your sway bar bushings, the frame bushings, the end link bushings, those are all in good condition. Stock steering components too. Tie rods look to be in great condition. All of your ball joints, those are in good condition. You can tell everything's been greased up and maintained throughout the years too on this vehicle. Braking components up front, it is a power brake vehicle. We do have disc brakes up front, drum brakes on the rear of the vehicle there. Now as far as wheels and tires, we'll get those next. 15-inch steel wheels on this, just kind of a factory steel wheel. Brand new BFGoodrich all-terrain TA KO2 tires. Again, brand new, so the tread is perfect on these. Been mounted, balanced, everything ready to go. As far as everything else up front here, we'll talk about the driveline real quick. Motor, this is a 5-liter 302 cubic inch small block Ford engine, fuel injected motor. It is backed up with the FMX Cruise-O-Matic transmission here. Of course, our transmission cross member here is in excellent condition. All the bolts, all the mounts and everything, those are all in great shape. You can see your transmission pan here, that's in great shape. The transmission itself, it's got the flywheel cover on it too to help protect against any debris that might get in there. Your drive shafts, those are all in great shape. Universals are good on those. And again, yokes, where they go into the differential and the transfer case and transmission, all in great condition there and no leaks that I can see. Again, now we have our rear drive shaft coming down off our transfer case here, back to the rear end. This is an 8.8-inch Ford rear end, 355 gear ratio in here too. Suspension back here, again, all stock suspension. Got your shocks, your multi-leaf suspension back here. We do have a sway bar on the back as well. Those bushings are in good shape on there too. So again, all of that is all maintained too. As far as the floors on this entire vehicle, don't see much better than this on a vehicle. Again, it's an 87, but this thing does not. It appears that it hasn't had much wear and tear on it. The floors are in great shape. You can see the exhaust system here. Now it does come down off of your stock exhaust manifolds up front, but it comes into one pipe. Your catalytic converter is still there with heat shield. Comes back here. You've got your muffler, brand new in here, brand new tailpipe too. So all of that's in great shape. We look back here a little bit further. We got our stock fuel tank back here. Again, it looks in really good shape too for this vehicle. It's not dented up or anything like that. Looks to be real great condition and not rusted up or anything like that. It looks pretty good back here. All of your fuel lines and brake lines are run inside of the frame rails on this vehicle, which again are in great shape. The lines are in great shape too, and again, you can see they are all dry up along our frame rails here. Emergency brake, it's all hooked up here too, all the way from the front clear to the back to the drums here. That's what you'll see these cables here for your emergency brake. So that's pretty much it for underneath our vehicle though. We've gone over everything. Everything's nice and dry here. Suspension, all stock steering. Nothing really out of the norm here. Now it does have these steps here that they've put the brackets in. Again, good strong brackets here for you to step onto to get into the vehicle. So with that said, everything's pretty good underneath here. Like I said, floors absolutely solid on this thing and look great.